Hi guys, good morning. Today I'll be doing some deliveries, pickups, and installs. So hopefully I don't have that many because it's not really the best day to work today. The weather is not that great. It's raining and windy. So stick with me. I will show you later how much work I have, and I will show you how it's done. Thank you. I'll talk to you later. I think I'm gonna stop for coffee and a muffin before I go to work, because once I start working, I won't be stopping until maybe 12 or 1:30. I just keep on working once I start. So why not? Okay. Hi, can I get a medium coffee with one cream and also a corn muffin with butter? Can I have it?
Butter and medium one.
Yes. Can I have it warmed up with butter? Thank you. All right, my first stop. I'm almost good to go. My first stop is Peterborough, 50 kilometers from here. Okay, I'm good to go. My first stop will be in Peterborough, which is about 50 kilometers from where I am now, from the shop. Here I go, doing my first install. Okay, move on to the next one, which is about 10 kilometers from here. Here we are, second job, second installation. Okay, installation number 2 is done. Now I'm on my way for my next job, which is a removal, and I have to go to Coburg, which is what, 59 kilometers from here. So I guess it is that far. So 59 kilometers, here I come. After driving 60 kilometers, I finally got here. This one is removal. Okay, always good to double check if there's anything left at the site, so make sure I have everything, so I don't need to go back. And it's also drizzling, so I want to get it done as quick as I could, so I don't get wet. Almost here, about 2 kilometers from my third job. That was already a 15 kilometer drive. Problem is it's raining, it's been pouring. Hopefully it will get better later. Damn, this is not good. Okay, here now. My third removal. I just did this last week. Okay, there's a note that says leave the sold sign at the I guess the house, so I don't have to take it with me. Yeah, this stop is another removal. I think I'll be doing removals for another 6 stops, so I guess I'll be talking to you later. I'm gonna get all these removals done, and then I'll do maybe 1 install, and that's about it. I'll talk to you later. Here it is, another removal. All right, moving on. Oh, this one is easy. All I need to do is put the sold sign on top of it. It's called the Sold Rider by Joanne Cooper. All right, it's a big property. Look at that. Another removal done. It's nice here. Look, forest. We are here now. This one is an installation, so this will take a while. Okay, I just finished my call, but actually I just finished my jobs, but my boss asked me to do one more thing, but this will be the last one, so I should be done in a few minutes.
Sure. Nah, the one that don't be brand. One of my daughter. Yeah, very nice. Nice. Yeah, okay. Okay. Bye, sir. Yeah, take care.
You too. All right, I am basically finished now. That was the last one that I had to do for Mikey. So now I'm on my way back to the shop. All right, I am finally done. Tomorrow I'm doing a small moving job. Actually, it's not small. It's maybe at least about 6 hours at least. So it's not really small. It's a medium-sized job. It's a house moving. So until next time, please subscribe, like, share, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. And enjoy the day, the rest of the day. Sunny and bright, and it's warm. Thank you. Have a good day.